Hey Gooners! Today, I'll show you how I make rants. Let's start off with step 1. First, you have to record some slime or cooking videos. Personally, I recommend these two channels. And now once you have your video, record it. Then put it in CapCut. We must use CapCut, no other video makers like Motion. If you don't have CapCut, you can always download it. Then go on Pinterest, Google, to find pre-made rant overlays, or you can make them yourself using random objects. Now you have to have Ibis Paint X to put them together. You have to erase the background. Sorry if it was long. Now go into CapCut. Put your overlay on the slime cooking video, and then you can add music if you want. Go to Aspect Ratio and click on 1:1. Add text, whatever font or effects you want, and go to Text to Speech. See which voice you want, and then just rant about what topic you want. That's all. Bloxycola out.